one of the things I noticed the most about him was just that this guy really loves his country. And I know that's almost funny to say because he's a controversial figure, and there are a lot of people in my country that, they call him un-American. But the truth is he was standing up for principles that are at the very basis of what our country is about. This is, why I'm so grateful to be born in the United States is we have the right and the privilege to ask these questions, hold our government accountable. Is this the right thing to be doing? Do I support mass surveillance? Do I not support mass surveillance? That's a complicated question. I think there's valid arguments on both sides of the mass surveillance debate. But I think it's pretty certain to say it's a debate that we should be having. Because honestly, it says in our Bill of Rights, in the Fourth Amendment of our Constitution, the government's not allowed to do that. So if we want to change that, if we want to allow our government to do it, well, then there should be some discussion.